Beautiful, crisp autumn morning here in Ohio, and I get to install a Jeldwen Aurora door. They are absolutely gorgeous, beautiful doors. I didn't think I'd ever get to install another one because they closed the plant down, but today I do get to install one, and I've got Rod here to help me today, so it's gonna be a good Saturday morning. Something I always thought was interesting about these doors is that they're packaged like they're from the Indiana Jones Ark of the Covenant. They are so expensive and they package these things super well. They've already been opened up, but I'll show you the crates that they come in. Look at how beautiful that door is. Look at the crates. They're crazy. It's almost like half of the weight is just in the crate. It's a lot of material waste, but it's very important to protect these things, so hopefully you can see why I think these are like Ark of the Covenant with Indiana Jones. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching that video of our Jeldwen Aurora door install. Maybe it's the last one on Earth that hasn't been installed yet. I don't know. I just feel privileged that when it was found in a warehouse, I was the one that was called to ask and go and install it. So I'm actually really thankful for that opportunity. These things are absolutely gorgeous. Super beautiful doors. Sadly, the hardware was missing from the doors, but that's easy enough to procure, gather, get. But anyway, yeah, this is a super cool door. Flip the camera around. Just such a pretty door. That rain glass is amazing. I love it. Rod was out here. He helped carry everything. It was a good Saturday.